I said, the Chinese economy is on a global scale so important nowadays, we cannot think without China. So the contribution, and if I say the education, research and development, implementation in the industry, it's nowhere as fast as in China. So of course there is a benefit there to bring it to the world. What strikes me when I look at China is how progressed the research and development is, and with it the implementation in the industry. Look at China nowadays. They are in the lead of electric cars, batteries, solar panels. The world can no longer function without China.